Halo guys, ho 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 ho, balik lagi bareng aku Shan. Hari ini aku rencananya mau ngerjain ngebut nih guys. Kalau bisa storynya Varka sama eventnya Mondstadt. Kalau bisa ya, kalau bisa. Tapi pertama ini storynya Varka dulu. Karena waktu kemarin searching katanya orang-orang prefer buat ngerjain storynya Varka dulu baru ngerjain event. Oke, nggak pakai lama ya guys ya. Kita langsung aja biar sat-set. Katanya seru banget storynya Varka. Seru dan banyak lore dropnya. Ini apa nih? Oh, ini event kayaknya ya. 4 hari lagi eventnya. Oh my god. Aku baru install Genshin lagi guys setelah dari nyoba Cloud kemarin loh. Cloud emang smooth banget. Apa ini namanya? Gak memberatkan PC gitu loh. Gitu loh guys. Jadi kayak grafiknya tuh jadi smooth banget. Kemarin gak ada nge-lag gitu kan guys. Ini bisa dipastikan nanti ada nge-lagnya dikit walaupun grafiknya udah aku turunin optimal mungkin. Ini mana nih? View ladder. What ladder? Ladder dari Varka kah? Ini kah? Shaw Lantern. Ini kah? Lunar Arcana, bukan. Ini buat ngerjain Hexen Circle. Oh, bukan. Oh, ini teater. Iya, aku baru dapat satu ini doang, guys. The Fool. Mana sih? Dimana coba letternya? Ini apa nih? Oh, Moon Prayer. Ini kah apa nih? The White Horse Adeptus. Oh, Tale of Durin. Mana ya? Ini kah? Ini event invitation. Honorary Night. Aduh, salah tuh, bukan mau itu. Ini dulu. Mana sih letternya? Ini kah? A letter carried by the wind. A letter that found its way into your bag at some point. Perhaps it was carried here by the wind. Oh, ini ya, ini kayaknya. Hey, long time no see, my friend. Oh, a bard? Venti? What's that? You say we just met recently for a heart that always misses its friends. Every second feels like eternity, and after such a grand adventure in Not Cry, you must have gathered quite a few stories along the way, yes? Are you perhaps looking for an old friend to talk to? Do you happen to need a bard? One who can turn your tales to verse? If so, come and catch up with me at Starsnatch Cliff. The wine is poured and the strings are already tuned. Oke, tempat favoritnya Venti emang.
It's from the Tone Deaf Bard.
Ya, Tone Deaf Bard.
Apparently, he wants to hear all about our adventures in Not Cry.
Ya.
Maybe we can get some tasty treats out of him in return. Come on, let's go to Starsnatch Cliff.
Paimon, cuman makanan yang ada di kepala kamu. Kan kita mau sharing story. Ini, sini deh. Venti selalu pengen up to date kalau kita habis petualangan di mana gitu. Selalu. Kabar kalian gimana gitu?
Try to keep up. Try to keep up.
Trying to keep up. Tuh kan, nge-lag. Dandelion. Bye. Gak minat gelut. Maaf. Mana Venti? Oh, di tempat yang ada bukan kompas ya, kayak penunjuk mata angin itu bukan? Halo Venti. Tom Dev Part. Kenapa dah nih anak?
Welcome back, old friend. And how should I be addressing you these days? The honorary knight of Mondstadt? The Tumaini of Natlan? Or the great hero of Nodcry?
Oh my god, kebanyakan gelar euy. Just call me by my name.
You sure have your finger on the pulse. We barely caught our breath since Not Cry, but it sounds like you've already heard about what went down.
Uh-huh.
News travels fast on the wind.
Yeah, true.
But before I can turn your tales into
Gossip.
tunes, I need to hear them from the horse's mouth.
Horses? Eh?
My wine and my lyre are at the ready. So please, traveler, take a seat and tell me your tale.
Horses? Maksudnya orang yang terlibat, bukan literally horses kan? Kirain ngomongin tentang jebai. You tell Venti everything. Cepat kali.
Amazing! Incredible! The Rahier of Solnari and the Doctor?
Yeah!
Truly a tale for the ages!
Epic moment!
So I'm guessing the wild hunt is a thing of the past now that you've defeated the Rahier of Solnari?
Nah, well, I'm still there.
Seems that way. We were kind of focused on dealing with the doctor, though.
Wadahan tiba-tiba terlupakan sejak the doctor muncul. There are still some vestige of the wild hunt around, but not enough to pose a major threat. Yeah.
Well, that's
Satu
good to
kalimat
hear.
cuy itu.
Hey, now that the Northern Abyss calamity is finally resolved, Varka must be getting ready for the triumphant return of his expedition, right?
Ya kemarin di Not Cry main story quest kan ini. Dia kirim surat katanya mau balik. Kirim suratnya ke Jin sih.
I haven't seen him in the longest time.
Oh,
He must
kangen.
have so many stories to share.
I was gonna ask, you two have really met before?
Hooray! My mom was wondering about that, too. He did call you Barbados. But weren't you so fast asleep back when he was in Mondstadt?
Oh, really? Apa iya timeline-nya kayak gitu? Aku dulu waktu pertama kali main Genshin gak terlalu fokus sama ceritanya waktu di Mondstadt, guys. Cuman apa silver liningnya, kayak main threads of the story-nya itu tahu, cuman gak sedalam itu karena aku kan baru main Genshin itu waktu bannernya Skaramus. Pokoknya ada ini Madame Verzan pertama kali debut. Iya kayaknya Skaramus tapi di middle di tengah-tengah banner. Soalnya abis itu aku inget five star karakter pertama aku itu Xiao sama Alaitam. Banner setelahnya Skaramus. I mean Wanderer.
Let's call it half asleep. I was resting my eyes in the Thousand Winds Temple one day when I heard a commotion outside.
Oh, lagi goleran dia.
It was a young knight who had journeyed there in search of trials and oracles after hearing some tall tales at the local tavern. In fact, all that awaited him were moss-covered walls and an angry ruin guard. But he seemed completely unfazed, laughing heartily as he sent the ruin guard's missiles flying off into the horizon.
Kenapa suka banget ketawa ya?
They must have been making quite a racket if it was enough to wake up the tone-deaf bard.
Makanya nggak heran kalau Lohen itu akhirnya di English dub-nya itu juga sama gilanya sama Varka. Emang orang gila itu harus diimbangi dengan orang gila lainnya.
Yeah, it sounded kinda like...
Nah kan? aku lihat ini debutnya, bukan debut sih, kayak munculnya pertama kali Lohen itu ada opininya terbagi jadi dua, ada yang suka sama English dub-nya, ada yang kurang suka karena mereka berekspektasi suaranya gede dan nonchalant karakter gitu. Padahal menurut aku cocokan gini, emang Varka harus diimbangi dengan orang-orang gila di sekitarnya biar mereka tuh kayak kelihatan OP banget sampai bisa ekspedisi ke Northcry loh guys, dan cuman bawa militer segitu. Kan beberapa harus stay di Mondstadt juga.
Hey! Is that all you've got?
Is that all I've got?
Oh, bring it on.
Ketawanya loh. Kayak yang bener-bener have fun gitu.
like that.
Yeah, like Grandmaster, like the subordinate. Yo.
Giving up already? Hey, you're not half as tough as Varka said.
Yeah, you're not half as tough as Varka said.
A young knight of Favonius trekking out to the Thousand Winds Temple in search of adventure. Now there's a sight I haven't seen in a while.
Wah, kayak Grandmaster.
A bard in green clothes. Does this mean... Oh, you're Venti?
Venti?
I was just wondering how I was gonna track you down.
Ketawanya loh.
Oh, so you were looking for the tone-deaf bard? Strange place to start your search.
I would have tried the Angelus hair. Ya, biasanya mabok-mabok di situ.
Hold on. Blonde hair, white hair. You must be the honorary knight, and Paimon. The Grandmaster talks about you all the time.
Bentar Lohen, kok kamu udah di sini? Bukannya Lohen ikut ekspedisi ke Northcry ya? Apa enggak ya?
Allow me to introduce myself. I'm Lowen, Vice Captain of the 5th Company of the Knights of Favonius and a member of the Expeditionary Force.
Nah kan?
Pleased to make your acquaintance.
Iya. Berarti dia juga ikut Varka ke Northcry. Tapi kok udah balik? Oh berarti Varka udah balik juga.
Oh, so you're part of the expedition, huh? Right. So that's why Paimon's never seen you around in Mondstadt. Wait a second. We never saw you in Nodcry either.
Nah, iya kan? Gimana tuh? Coba
That's
jelasin.
probably because when the Wild Hunt was still running rampant, I spent most of my time out on my own, making mincemeat out of monsters.
Ai.
I barely went back to base at all.
Oh, dia tipikal yang nggak mau dengerin Grandmaster. Maunya pergi sesuai apa kata hatinya.
Then, once the Wild Hunt calmed down, I got sent back to Mondstadt. Mixed blessing, if you ask me. Sounds like I missed out on some serious action.
Berarti sebelum ada dokter datang, dia udah balik ke Mondstadt duluan.
No wonder we never saw you while we were dealing with the doctor.
Yeah, true.
Why did Varka send you back?
Don't tell me he sent you to.
Deliver some letters.
Jadi tukang pos. I was gonna say deliver a letter.
There's one for the Knights of Favonius, one for the church, another for the Dawn Winery, at least 10 of them in total.
Wah, Night of Venus itu ke Jean, Church itu ke Church ya aku ngomongnya Church itu ke Rosaria, Dawn Winery ke Diluc and Kaya. Razor, Razor pasti dapat lah.
Jeez, how many people has he sent to deliver his mail now? Mika, Inaba, Lolan. He should just hire a full-time mailman already.
Ya, kayak ini siapa namanya? Yang kucing itu guys, itu kan dia delivery package. Mirip-mirip lah ya kayak JNE, JNT, Pos Indonesia.
In fact, he's earned himself a new nickname. Let's go with Sir Writes a Lot.
Sir writes a lot, but dia suka nulis tapi nggak suka baca kayaknya. Lore skipper. Another day, another nickname, huh? Tone Deaf Bard.
I'll have you know that poetry and letters were humanity's earliest means of expressing their thoughts.
Ya, true. Biarkan Paimon bebas mengarang.
So, tone deaf or not, I wear the title of bard with pride. And I consider Sir Writes a Lot to be quite a compliment.
Ya, at least warga selain suka gelut, suka nulis lah. Kayak edukasinya nggak terbuang sia-sia.
Really? Darn it! Maybe Paimon should come up with some harder-hitting nicknames for these two.
Not. Nggak perlu.
Anyway, since this young man has come all the way to the Thousand Winds Temple looking for me, I assume he must have a letter for me too. Am I right?
Oh, apakah Venti dapat?
You sure are. To use the Grand Master's own words.
This one is for the bard in green clothes. These days, I think he goes by Venti.
Vendi.
Doesn't really have an address as such. You could
Vendi,
start by
Vendi.
asking around in Mondstadt, or maybe try your luck at the Thousand Winds Temple.
Aduh, susah kalau nggak punya alamat
I
tuh.
figured that since there was this punching bag here, Ruin Guard, I could get some practice in while I was at it.
Punching
so,
bag.
I came right here the second I got back to Mondstadt.
Punching back here. Oh, sorry. Ruin Guard.
That Varker is so slapdash sometimes. It's a good thing we happen to be nearby.
So, what does the letter say?
Oh, he also said to remind you to write back.
Oh, suruh balas. Serius banget.
Nothing in particular. Just some idle chatter between two drinking buddies. But if
Nah,
I'm supposed to write back this time, I'll need some time to mull over my response.
you're lying, Vendi. You're lying. Spill the tea.
Verka gave you a whole bunch of letters to deliver, right? Maybe you can head into Mondstadt and deliver the rest of them first?
Ya, balasnya agak nantian. Kalau cari Loen kan gampang. Bisa langsung ke kantornya Knight of Venice.
My thoughts exactly. Assuming I can find the way. Hopefully the roads haven't changed too much since the pre-expedition days.
Nggak, tenang aja. Kli terkontrol.
Well, why don't we have Mondstadt's honorary knight escort this homeward-bound wanderer to the city? I'm sure some of the recipients of Varka's letters will turn out to be old friends of yours, too.
I have no objections. Let's go.
Let's go! It's been a while since Paimon's done any guide work.
Let's go.
Thank you so much, Honorary Knight. And you, Miss Guide.
Miss Guide. Oh, Venti minta privacy
The
time.
abyss, the wild hunt. Andreas,
Andreas.
get home safe, Varka.
Oh. Okay.
Why do my ears feel so hot all of a sudden? Is someone talking about me?
Ya, lagi digibain. Orang Indonesia kalau digibain ini keselak atau enggak, apa ini namanya? Ini bulu matanya ada yang jatuh. Terus apa lagi guys? Yang ciri-ciri orang yang lagi digibain. Entah gibahnya baik atau buruk ya. Tapi masih ada kayak gitu-gitu tuh, kayak mitos-mitos. Apa nih? Cutscene kah?
Surely there's no way anyone found the secret stash of cash in my office. That would be terrible.
Oh my god. Ini aku tahu ini yang di apa nih namanya? Di post sama orang-orang. Pada nyuri ini, pada nyuri tabungannya Varka.
Grandmaster, bad time to get distracted.
Oh my god. Winfried. Ini kenapa kamu pakai senjata bintang 1?
Watch out! Enemies approaching!
Oh.
Huh? Oh, it's just a few stragglers. They're no real threat to us.
Really?
This expedition is almost over. We just need to deal with these final few targets, and then
Let's go home.
we will make our triumphant return.
Yeah. Mana? Show.
Stormwind!
Oh, 26, 27. Lumayan ini kayak wind doang tapi kok 27k, keren. Ini ada orang yang mengamati damage-nya Knight of Favonius, keren-keren. Padahal mereka cuma normal attack. Wow, 12k. Au. 12k, 8k, 10, 11. 12k. Winfried.
Stormwind!
Piang. Oh. Kirain hilang. 32. Wow.
Without the Rahier of Solnari to direct them, it seems like all that's left is their primal urge to destroy.
Ya, balik ke NPC monster yang seharusnya. Tapi tetap
If
gesit.
this is all that the Wild Hunt can muster now, surely the Lightkeepers of Nodcry will be able to deal with what's left.
Ya, harusnya sih. Nggak akan masalah buat mereka.
Just like I thought. What we should be wary of now is
Apa tuh?
Grandmaster, based on Lightkeeper intel and our own reconnaissance, one of the suspected targets should be just up ahead.
good. You know the drill. Stay here and stand guard. Leave the rest to me.
Oke.
Yes, Grandmaster.
Oh. Knight of Favonius. Sendirian banget. Oh. Api biru. Oh, kirain
We
Flint.
meet again, Andreas.
Kenapa di sini, Andreas? Gelut kah? Oh. Face the wolf spirit.
So, you've returned from Mondstadt. Don't you want to see what it looks like now?
Ini kenapa dah? Kelap-kelip. Jeduk-jeduk. Siapa tadi yang ngomong?
Take a look around there myself.
Wandering Knight. Who?
What's this? An echo from 1,000 years ago?
Nah, iya. Aduh, jeduk-jeduk.
Everything seems normal so far. Here's hoping I'm just overthinking things. There are 2 other places to check.
Gak gitu, aneh gak sih?
Smoothly after all.
Aneh gak sih ada Andreas di sini? Bukannya dia di Mondstadt? Kaget.
It's your turn, my friend.
Who?
Come, Andreas!
Disuruh masuk ke ini, ke Claymore-nya. Gitu.
Overall, for returning to your old home, perhaps Andreas is a little too ostentatious.
Andreas pakai quote unquote. Berarti ya Andreas yang di Mondstadt itu bukan the real Andreas.
Might be better to go by
Boreas.
Boreas.
Huh?
injustice, corruption, iniquity.
Oh, is this Roland? Roland the Bloodstained Knight?
Is the surface world still as wretched and foul as ever?
Ya masih, tapi terkendali kok, tenang aja. Nggak perlu balik kamu.
Answer me,
Oh,
heir to the knighthood of Boreas.
Looks like I'm not getting out of this without a fight.
ya. Andreas versi Pro Max. Baru masuk. Baru prolog itu tadi. Balik ke ini ya, Mondstadt ya. Greget, 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 greget. Greget banget. Pam, para, 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 pa, pa, para, pa, pa.
That's where things stand with the expedition. The victors will be returning home soon, so make sure to stock up on wine for the celebrations.
Wine, wine, wine.
P.S. I hope everyone's keeping up with their daily training. I'll be testing you all when I get back to make sure no one's regressed.
Aww, Noel.
P.P.S. I wrote individual letters for each and every one of you. Don't forget to write back.
That's all.
That's all.
Everyone gets one? Wow! Sir writes a lot is really living up to his name.
Lah, traveler juga dapat. Ngapain kan ketemu kemarin?
Master must have something specific to say to each of us.
Ah, Ember juga dapat.
Even I got a letter, and I'm
Iya.
not a real knight yet.
Oh, Noel. Sucrose juga dapat. Oh,
Jean?
Jin apa isi suratnya?
Yes. That's our Grandmaster for you.
Jin, ayo bilang kalau ada masalah, Jin.
By the way, anyone know where I can find the cavalry captain? I have a letter for him as well.
Ya, kayak.
You mean Kaya? He said he was meeting a friend from the church at the Angel Share.
Friend from the church, Rosaria?
Allegedly for work. Said he was exchanging intel. But I'd say there's a 50-50 chance he's just there for a drink.
Ya, mau goleran. Goleran.
Paimon bets there'll be lots of familiar faces there.
Ya,
How about we deliver Kaya's letter? And these are there too as well.
berarti Kaya, Rosaria, and Tiluk. Soalnya pasti ada di situ.
Really? Oh, that would be a great help. Thank you.
Thank you, Loen.
Our thanks to you too, Lowen. The other knights will help distribute the remaining letters. You've had a long journey. Please go get some rest.
Ya. Istirahat, istirahat.
Great. But I won't be resting just yet. I have one last letter to deliver to Wolvendom.
Oh.
This one, I was planning on delivering personally.
Oh, ke Andreas?
I heard that another challenger recently passed Boreas' trial. Well, with any luck, that wolf might be willing to reveal himself to me, too.
Oh, dia nggak mau ini ditantang sama Loen.
Very well. But please remember to show respect to the local wolves.
The local wolves.
I will. Goodbye.
Bye-bye, Loen. See you soon. Ayo, cerita dong. Dari tadi, aja. Clearly, something is bothering Jean. I should talk to her before going to the angels Angel's share. Oh, mau ngobrol sama semuanya. Siapa yang di lantai 1? Gak mau ketinggalan satu pun. Ada Noel? Noel aja kah? Oke, Noel. Let's talk.
Grandmaster offered lots of advice in his letter regarding my recent assessments.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't think he'd spare a thought for that kind of thing in the middle of an expedition.
Oh.
So, Honorary Knight, if you have the time, do you think you could help me out with my special training?
Of course, Noel. Of course. Let's sparring. Then, Eula? Let's say something.
He wants to test me to see if my skills have regressed? I still haven't forgotten how he went easy on me last time.
Ya berarti kamu harus lebih hebat.
I'm assuming
Biar
you
nggak
must have
di...
seen him going all out before. When the time comes, you'd better keep an eye on him for me.
Biar nggak dianggap enteng. Semangat Yula. Then, who it is? Siapa lagi? Oh, Lisa. Terus ada lagi. Visual Dictionary. Oh, udah nggak ada. Kayaknya Lisa doang. Semuanya udah pada keluar kah?
Ah, the Grand Master. The archives are filled with documents awaiting his review. I'm not letting him run off again until he's finished dealing with every last one.
Homework.
On another note, have you spoken to Jean? I hope she'll finally be able to relax a little once Varka returns.
Yeah, I hope so. Dia deserve to have a break. Oh, sisanya ada di sini ternyata. Oh, Amber, Mika. Cutie patootie.
Okay, we'll deliver these letters to the Adventurers Guild and the Cat's Tail. You can just handle the ones for the Angel share.
Okay.
The expedition is finally wrapping up. Oh, I hope the maps I made on our way there are good enough to get them safely home.
Aw. Pasti mereka bakalan balik ke rumah dengan aman, tenang aja. Ini nggak bisa dibuka ya? Oh bisa sih, ini kantornya Jin. Ini tempatnya Klee.
May the Animo Archon protect you.
Tempatnya Klee dikurung.
The Grand Master wrote in his letter that the Boom Blossom bombs we sent worked really well. He
Boom
wants to know if
Blossom
we've made any
bombs.
more.
Klee. Klee, oh my god. Bloom, apa tadi? Bloom Blossom Bomb? Punyanya Klee itu berarti.
Honorary Knight, you're still here?
Yeah, I'll be setting off shortly, but it seems like there is something on your mind.
Is it that obvious?
Ya iya, bolak-balik menghela napas.
Huh? But Varka's coming back. The situation in Nokrai is stable. Surely things are looking up.
Yeah, what happened, Jean?
True. From what you and Lowen have told me, the expedition has indeed accomplished its strategic objectives.
Ya, harusnya.
It seems that Mondstadt no longer faces any threat from the perils of the North, be they the Wild Hunt or the Doctor. And yet, for some reason, I can't help but recall something the Grandmaster said to me before he left.
Oh? Apa tuh?
If I don't make it back from this expedition, you'll have to assume the mantle of Grand Master of the Knights of Favonius.
Khawatir. Jin
If
khawatir.
it comes to that, remember to train the next Knight of Boreas in my stead.
Jelaslah kepikiran Jin kalau ada atasanmu bilang kayak gini, kayak what the hell.
I've planted some promising seeds in Mondstadt, but they still need time to grow. Some have yet to master the art of social interaction. Some don't yet understand that they too need protecting. And some, well, some might not even want to be a knight yet.
Not even want to be knight. Look, the art of social interaction is rather. Some don't yet understand that they too need protecting is Rosaria because she is reckless. Walaupun strong, kalau reckless tidak menghargai, gak menghargai keamanan dirinya sendiri, mana bisa melindungi orang lain gitu loh.
What's wrong? There's no need to frown. I'm going on an expedition, not marching to my death. This is all just a contingency plan in the event that I'm unable to return.
Oh, tapi Jin khawatir, Bapak Farka.
Until I return, I leave them in your care.
Nggak ngomong sama sekali nih Jinnya.
The lineage of the Knights of Boreas has nearly been extinguished twice in Mondstadt's history.
Oh, berarti Farka sebelumnya menggantikan seseorang yang juga meninggal tanpa maksudnya mati tanpa meninggalkan keturunan. Jadi kayak Farka bener-bener gantiin tanpa ada hubungan darah.
The first wandering knight to claim the title arrived in Mondstadt 1,000 years ago, along with his wolf companion.
Along with his wolf companion, who? Aduh, aku nggak ngerti lore ini, guys. Wah, ini bener-bener baru buat aku.
He was as free as the wind. He left no succession plan behind. Even his name was lost to history. The title of Boreas could have disappeared from Mondstadt just as he did. But he had an informal disciple, a knight named Ravenwood, who admired the Knight of Boreas greatly. Ravenwood's valor and swordsmanship earned him the wolf spirit's recognition. When the old aristocracy tried to regain power, Ravenwood came once more to Mondstadt's defense. From then on, the title of Knight of Boreas was passed down from generation to generation within the Knights of Favonius.
Kan? Harusnya kayak ada ikatan darah gitu loh. Bukan yang benar-benar orang asing terus tiba-tiba mendapatkan gelar itu. Tapi Farka layak mendapatkan itu karena powernya lah guys, jelas.
Wolf spirit? You mean that big blue wolf in Wolfenden?
Karena powernya Farka dan diakui sama Andreas, right?
Correct. As you may already know, the Wolf of the North is the surviving spirit of an ancient god.
Oh, jadi Boreas itu adalah bagian dari Andreas? Gitu kah?
And the Knight of Boreas serves as an intermediary between him and humanity.
And the Knight of Boreas serves as an intermediary, penghubung jembatan antara Andreas dan humanity. Okay.
Lupus Boreas, who had never known what it meant to love, came to understand it through the journey with his human companion. In the end, he chose to allow his power to become one with the land.
Yang ini bukan sih guys, yang ada di Notcry, yang bentuknya itu kayak pulau ngambang itu loh. Aku belum ngerjain quest di situ sih, tapi katanya di situ jelasin tentang Boreas dan Koitar, Moon Goddess, yang bangun Notcry gitu kalau nggak salah.
This was once a well-known tale in Mondstadt, but these days, Few people are aware that the starting point of the Wolf King's journey was not Mondstadt, but Nodcry.
Iya, iya bener yang dari situ berarti yang tempatnya itu deketnya base-nya, base campnya Night Favonius itu loh guys, yang sebelahnya pas gitu. Nanti kita ke situ deh kalau ada waktu, ada kesempatan.
The Great Wolf King of the North came here from Nodcry. Although he doesn't like to speak of his past. In fact, he rarely shows himself to people at all nowadays.
Oh, jauh-jauh ya dari
As
Nodcry.
such, this tale can only be found deep within the Knights of Favonius library. Even among the Knights of Favonius, few are aware of it.
Gak semuanya
The
suka
Grand
baca
Master
buku.
didn't disclose any concrete objectives before departing on his expedition. I couldn't help but wonder whether it might somehow be related to Nodcry's Wolf of the North. I kept my speculations to myself, however. Sharing them would only spread unwarranted suspicion toward the Four Winds among the people of Mondstadt.
Kenapa kok spread unwarranted suspicion toward the four winds? Oh, karena Andreas yang di Mondstadt sekarang bukan the real Andreas. Takutnya orang-orang kayak kepercayaannya terguncang.
You
Blasphemy.
experienced the turmoil caused by Dvalin, the East Wind's actions for yourself. Surely you can understand my concern?
Ya, itu aja bikin orang-orang takut sama Dvalin. Padahal harusnya Dvalin itu protektornya Mondstadt.
No wonder Varga wasn't clear about his motives. Is that what he was worried about?
Very possibly. He was probably also reserving judgment. Having heard about your experiences in Nodcry, I now suspect that the Grand Master hadn't yet ascertained the true identity of our enemy at that time. And as it turns out, the calamity born in the north wasn't an ancient god, but rather the Wild Hunt and the Doctor. I guess we were both jumping to conclusions.
Berarti Varga ngiranya the calamity yang mau datang ke Mondstadt itu asalnya dari itu tadi Boreas Knight. Ngiranya begitu tentang Andreas, tapi ternyata tentang Wild Hunt sama The Doctor yang manipulasi dan membangkitkan Rerir of Solnari. Rerir ya itulah. Well, always better to be over prepared than caught off guard.
Yes, I completely agree. The tide can turn rapidly in times of battle. It's a leader's responsibility to prepare for every possible contingency.
Penuh dengan perhitungan.
Even if his contingency plan never needs to be put into action, I'm sure the Grand Master is relieved to know that it's in place.
Jin, don't worry. You'll be free after this. Kenapa kau look up? Oh, ini yang ini ya. A sword has been plunged deep into the ceiling. Kata orang-orang itu gara-gara Noel.
Thank you for being such a patient listener. I feel much more settled after talking with you.
Yeah, glad I can help.
If you have any spare time, would you mind stopping off to say hello to the other knights? I'm sure they have all missed our honorary knight just as much as I have.
Aku setiap hari log in dan log out di Mondstadt kok. Tenang aja Jin, aku nggak kemana-mana kok. Oke, mau ke Angels Share. Susah banget ngomong S dan R L.
That turned into a pretty long conversation, huh? We should probably go deliver those letters to the Angels Share now.
Yeah, I guess. Pam 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 pam. Oh, belum ganti sayap ya aku. Barca pakai glider. Oh, ini katanya susah ya guys. Tapi pengen keren soalnya. Barca pakai inilah, Barca. Ini terlalu biru. Pakai ini. Ini kenapa? PlayStation. Bagus biru tua. Aduh, nyangkut. Barca. Enter tavern.
When you're mixing drinks in hot weather, start by pouring in cold water and add ice cubes. Then drain out the water before adding the other ingredients. How's that for a secret recipe? Maybe it's worth a little intel in return.
Hah? Maksud? Bentar, itu kode apa literally? Kalau kamu mixing drinks dengan ice, terus kamu biar dinginnya awet gitu kah? Dan rasanya nggak berubah gitu kah? Masuk akal?
Please. I've known that little trick for a good 10 years at least.
Nope.
You'll have to offer something a little more substantial if you're serious about trading.
Kode. Kirain bener-bener resep. Bener-bener resep
I
mixology.
know there's no one else in the tavern right now, but do you two really need to talk so loudly?
Ya,
Especially if you're supposed to be exchanging confidential information.
makanya. Masa tukar info intel nggak teriak sih. Ngomongnya nggak bisik-bisik.
Hiya, Rosaria, Diluc. Paimon knew we'd find you here.
Ya kalau di lu kan ini emang tempat kerjanya. Ini mereka berdua ngapain di sini?
Looks like it's about to get even noisier.
A little liveliness never killed anyone. Traveler, Paimon, what brings you our way?
I have a letter for each of you. You deliver Forgat's letter.
Please allow me to once again express my sincere condolences regarding your late father and the incident with Eric. We make absolutely no excuse for his crimes. I hope you will give some serious consideration to the question I asked you before I left, though I'm sure you're tired of hearing me ask by now. The Knights of Favonius will always welcome you.
Ngajak Diluc ngajak Diluc buat join Knight of Favonius. Masih dendam ke Sumat dia. Karena kalau kalian baca, aku belum kelar sih bacanya manganya Genshin. Kan ada manga ya. Itu waktu meninggalnya bapaknya Diluc, Favonius telat gitu loh ngasih bantuan mereka, jadi dia kayak dendam.
From the look on your face, I'm guessing the Grand Master is still refusing to drop it?
Ya, kayak sayang kan skillnya Diluc yang mungkin setara kayak tapi dia jadi orang biasa-biasa aja, malah jadi kayak pengusaha gitu.
He nags like an old man. It's
Old
hardly
man.
surprising.
Old man.
Drop what? What's this about?
Nothing.
Gak usah ikut campur lah.
Before
Paimon,
leaving
kita
on the
diam-diam aja.
expedition, Varka came here to chat with me over a drink. I failed to avoid him.
Ya nggak bisa dong, kan kamu yang jualan di sini.
He asked me if I'd consider rejoining the Knights of Favonius, and I declined. He expressed his regret about everything that happened and asked me to reconsider. That's all there is to it.
Yeah, right. Sounds like you skipped a lot of details. There's clearly more to it.
Enggak, emang gitu tadi Paimon. Kan ini MC serba MC serba tahu.
Whatever details I chose to omit are in the past. Dragging them back up now serves no purpose.
Ya, Paimon diem deh, jangan ikut campur.
You say that now.
Privacy.
But back then, you couldn't let it go. You and the Knights of Favonius were constantly at odds.
Sampai sekarang kayaknya masih dendam ke Sumat. Lah, baru tahu Rosaria ini boots kah? Berarti dia selama ini pakai celana pendek. Astaga, aku nggak tahu guys. Padahal ini karakter favorit aku di awal-awal itu, di awal-awal main.
I wasn't seeing the full picture. I've had a lot of time to reflect since then.
Udah dewasa sekarang.
My answer remains unchanged. I'm not rejoining the Knights of Favonius.
Masih dendam.
Both the Grandmaster and the acting Grandmaster are too upright and honorable.
Okay.
I can't see the shadows that lurk beneath them due to the size of the organization they lead. They need someone on the outside to keep watch vigilantly.
Ya, opposite. Apa ini namanya? Oposisi. Di sistem politik, ini mau nggak mau kita bahas politik ya guys. Di sistem politik itu oposisi itu harus ada, sangat bagus. Karena untuk mengatur keseimbangan ketika pemimpin terlalu berkuasa, jadi oposisi bisa mengontrol dan masih memikirkan hak dan kewajiban mereka, hak dan kewajiban rakyat. Dan jadi lebih jumawa gitu loh pemimpinnya, gak mikirin kekuasaan doang.
If I had a Mora for every time I've heard you repeat that argument. I actually don't disagree with the first part of what you said. But don't you think someone can keep tabs on things from the inside?
Gak bisa, kayak gak bisa. Jadi gak objektif nanti. Karena dia harus obey. Harus patuh dengan atasan kan kalau udah masuk. Gak bisa berbuat banyak gitu loh. Udah kayak diam aja,
When
diam.
you join an organization, you're bound by its rules,
Nah.
no matter how free it may seem on the surface.
Nah, Rosaria aja tahu. Pinter nih. Anak gue nih.
You think so? Never mind the Knights. Have you honestly ever been bound by the rules of the church?
Makanya dia nggak mau. Aslinya mama mana mau jadi sister. Ya itulah.
Good question. Have you considered that maybe that's why I chose to join the church and not the Knights to begin with?
Oh, lebih renggang lah ya apa rulesnya di church daripada di Knight of Favonius.
Are they arguing or not? It's kind of hard to tell.
They're arguing, Paimon. They just have different ways of protecting those around them. Ya, hanya perbedaan prinsipal.
Kind of like the contingencies Jean was talking about. The more ways they have to protect their home, the better.
Ya, tapi jelas mereka lagi arguing. I wonder if this is exactly what Farka was hoping for. Oh, kayak bikin mereka mikir sekali lagi prinsipal mereka bener gak gitu. Apakah mereka harus agree to disagree atau memaksakan diri untuk agree? Tapi perbedaannya tuh bagus kok guys. Gak ada yang buruk selama kita masih bisa menghormati satu sama lain. Agree to disagree is okay. Kaya, Diluc, and Rosaria di atas kah? Ngobrol sama anak dua ini dulu kalau gitu. Diluc.
My reply won't be a long one, as usual. I'm sure Varka won't be surprised.
Ya, kayaknya dia udah apa nih namanya? Ekspektasinya udah ya. Gak mungkin lah accept si Diluc. Tapi kalaupun accept itu bakalan jadi keuntungan dia. Dia kayak ya kayak gambling aja. Hai Kaya.
What should I report back to the Grand Master on? Let me think.
Apa sih? Mau laporan apa kamu?
Public order inside the city, monster activity in the wild. Oh, and a review of the latest vintages. I think I'll leave it at that.
Review of the latest vintages. Siapa yang suka vintage? Varga? Oh, Varga juga suka vintage. Kayak Flins. Kalau Flins kalau Flins bukan vintage sih, apa nih namanya? Suatu yang berkilau-kilau. Tapi vintages juga banyak yang berkilau. Hai, Nak Rosaria.
If you hadn't had to deliver that guy's mail, you wouldn't have been subjected to all this tedious arguing. When I write back, I'll tell him to quit making trouble for other people.
It's okay. Kayak old man request, we cannot reject them. Just accepting it. Selama masih hidup, dengerin aja lah.
That's no trouble. Lowen did most of the work. We just volunteered to do the last leg of the journey.
Yeah.
Mostly so we could come say hello.
Besides, I wouldn't really call that an argument. You just have different ideas on how to project Mondstadt.
So you see what's really going on here? All three of us fell for that old rascal scheme far too readily.
Old rascals. Nah, it's not scheme. Varka cuman pengen kalian ini aja, mempertimbangkan prinsip kalian. Apakah prinsip kalian masih sama-sama dengan yang dahulu dia tahu gitu. Kayak waktu mengubah orang. Waktu mengubah manusia.
What do you mean? Was Varka lying in his letter set?
Yeah, it's not really scheme.
No. While I'm sure Varka knows full well that Diluc would never agree to rejoin the Knights, I believe the sentiments he expressed were genuine. As was his offer to welcome Diluc back.
Ya, dia cuman mau itu tadi, gambling. Kalau misalnya dia mau, oh, aku pernah baca post seseorang katanya mereka menduga kalau Varga terus-terusan menawarkan Diluc buat join Knight of Favonius karena dia merasa bersalah sama bapaknya Diluc yang meninggoy. Jadi dia kayak mau menebus rasa bersalahnya itu buat mensejahterakan Diluc gitu loh. Dan kalau masuk ke Knight of Favonius kan bisa dapat intel gitu yang cuman bersirkulasi di Knight of Favonius. Tapi kan ada kayaknya mau deh sharing intel sama Diluc, ya nggak sih? Walaupun Diluc udah punya intelnya sendiri kan. Kalau kalian ingat di Not Cry main story quest kemarin, Never kan bilang organisasinya North Intelligent Community Organization, ya kayak gitulah. Itu kan ada Diluc-nya juga ternyata, sama Yelan, sama siapa lagi? Lupa, pokoknya dari beberapa region itu ada kok orang-orang penting yang join organisasi intelijensinya Never.
There are people like Kaya and I, and then there are those who are true champions of justice to the core. Those people are the most susceptible to being driven to extremes by great upheaval. It's happened in Mondstadt before.
Oh, it's okay. Emang harus ada oposisinya.
Not only that, but it happened to a Knight of Boreas. That'll really hit home for Varka. And that's why his nagging is even more persistent than usual.
A champion of justice driven to extremes? You're saying that happened to a Knight of Boreas?
Yeah. So no one's told you this before? The lineage of the Knights of Boreas had nearly been extinguished twice in history.
Nearly,
The
berarti
first was
belum.
at its inception. The second was the case I was alluding to.
Apa tuh?
Oh, wasn't Jean telling us about this? Wait, and then we got caught up talking about the expedition, time.
Oh, okay.
I happened to hear about it from Varka once when he was drinking and started yammering on. The second crisis in the
Spilling
Knights
the
of
tea
Boreas
when
lineage
he's
it was
drunk.
500 years ago.
Yammering, the second crisis in the Night of the Boreas lineage. It was 500 years ago. Oh, calamity.
Although the Knights of Boreas are meant to
Archon
be
War.
intermediaries between humans and wolves, in practice, very few of them have been truly recognized by Lupus Boreas over the past millennium.
Mm-hmm.
Of those who have, the best known are the first Knight of Boreas, Ravenwood, the wolf pup Rostam, and
Rostam.
Varka himself.
Ah, Rostam. Oh, Rostam itu pacarnya siapa ini namanya? Rosaline? La Signora? Ya. Ravenwood itu yang pertama. Terus Rostam. Oh, Rostam kok namanya Wolf Pup. Lucu. Wolf Puppy. So cute. Berarti Varka ketiga. Night of Boreas ketiga.
But 500 years ago, there was one who earned the respect of Boreas even before gaining the title.
Oh? Roland! The Bloodstained Knight!
He was a disciple of Rostam. They thought he would become the mightiest knight of Boreas who ever lived. He was the perfect knight. Righteous, principled. His name was Roland, the Bloodstained Knight.
Lucu banget itu tadi ada suara drum sebelum Roland membalikkan kepalanya ke arah kita. Kayak Roland gitu.
Yikes! Bloodstained Knight?
Yeah.
Sounds a little ominous.
Bloodstained Knight.
Well, apparently his original title was the White Knight.
Oh. Wow. Bisa se-ekstrim itu habis dari White Knight ke Bloodstained Knight.
But he lost countless comrades during the Abyssal Calamity 500 years ago.
Yeah,
including
calamity.
his tutor and mentor, Rostam.
Including his tutor and mentor. Oh, mereka meninggoy bareng? Oh my god.
The endless bloodshed stained his sword and armor a crimson as deep as black, transforming the White Knight into the Bloodstained Knight. After that, he threw himself completely into battling monsters, leaving Mondstadt and the Knights of Favonius behind. To this day, no one knows his final whereabouts.
Menurutku, gak hanya bloodthirsty, habis menghabisi banyak orang, gak hanya psychological illness, karena kita kalau terbiasa dengan violence, kekerasan, kita bakalan mudah ngelakuin hal-hal itu ke depannya. Jadi kayak terbiasa gitu loh guys, jadi kayak psycho. Tapi kayaknya si Roland itu nggak hanya karena psychological penyebabnya. Kayaknya karena abyssal juga. Kayak tercemari kekuatannya abyss itu loh. Jadi kayak haus darah, jadi monster haus darah.
It's hard to say whether the loss of an important figure in his life is what drove him to the point of obsession, or whether he was already too far gone to save.
Oh? Loss of important, kehilangan Rostam. Karena dia looking up to Rostam kan?
But had he known that the Knights of Favonius would always welcome him back, perhaps things would have turned out differently.
Ya kalau patah hati kayak La Signora, kan dia juga gelap mata dan memilih jalan yang salah.
So if you want my opinion, the reason why Varka keeps asking Diluc to rejoin, despite knowing that he'll never say yes, is to let him know you're not alone.
Ya, Ya berarti Varka guilty, feeling guilty sama Diluc. Biar Diluc nggak sendirian, gimana kalau join Knight of Favonius gitu. Kamu juga bisa dapat intel-intel dari situ gitu.
After all these years, he's still as persistent as ever. Just like how he used to be with me.
Huh. Turns out Bark is a lot more thoughtful than he lets on. Paimon had the wrong idea about him.
Banyak pikiran Bapak Varka itu karena udah umurnya, udah waktunya.
Anyway,
Udah
something about this whole Boreas business that Paimon isn't really getting. Wasn't Andreas a god in Mondstadt thousands of years in the past?
Varka emang waktunya mikirin banyak orang lain daripada dirinya sendiri. Semakin tua semakin gitu guys. Iya, ini berarti kan Andreas di Mondstadt sekarang bukan Andreas yang harusnya gitu kah?
So, why did Jean say that Boreas and the Wandering Knight only arrived here just 1,000 years ago? Plus, Paimon's super curious about what happened to Roland.
Shall we go get answers straight from the horses or Wolf's Mouth? We can meet up with Lohin in Wolfendum while we're at it.
That's a great idea! Jean said he hasn't been showing himself much lately, but he always seems happy to oblige whenever you show up. Let's go!
Oke, kita ke Andreas sekarang. Oke. Oh, kalian masih di sini?
What should I report back to the grid? Public order inside the city? Monster activity in the wild?
Oh, sama kata-katanya. Oh my god, you guys feel so small beside Varka. So cute. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Oh, langsung masuk. Oh.
What's going on here? Was Wolfendum always like this?
No.
Paimon has a bad feeling about this.
Iya kok vibe-nya kok aneh.
Hunt! What are they doing here?
Ngapain di sini? What the hell? Watch out.
Hold the line.
Close your eyes. Be silent.
Kok lagu Not Cry di sini? Au.
Night falls. Boreas. Can't
Aku mau nge-ulti kok nggak bisa ya? Nggak bisa mencet tadi. Bodoh amat.
Flash maneuver. Time to shine. Yoo-hoo! Torrent, bring refuge.
Kayaknya nge-lag tadi. Makanya ini.
Uphill battles.
Turns out I can die.
No way, Barca.
Observe.
Barca aku masih level berapa tadi? Makanya gampang meninggoy.
Close your eyes. Night falls.
Billowing surge.
Be silent. Steady now. Observe. Do you fear the dark?
Hold the line. Ah.
Close your eyes.
Seret. AR-nya seret.
Be silent.
Be silent.
Are you alright?
I'm alright, Farkan not. There's still something nearby.
There better not be more wild hunt monsters.
Pasti ada wild hunt ini. Loen. Sini. Join sini.
You scared Paimon stiff. She thought you were...
Stop right there. Answer me this. The 2 letters I gave you, who are they for?
Dikiranya apa wild hunt yang nyamar.
2 letters? Wasn't it 3?
There were 3. Kaya, Diluc, and Rosaria.
Well, Paimon's coolest naive expression doesn't appear to be an act.
Hey! What are you trying to say? Wait. What are you trying to say, huh?
Paimon, he's saying you passed the test. Iya, pertanyaan menjebak gitu.
She didn't even realize she was taking one.
Lol.
You may dispense with your suspicions. The wolf pack has borne witness.
Oh, Boreas di sini juga.
Fought against the aberrations that encroached upon this land. And our attackers showed no ability to disguise themselves this time.
Maksudnya wild hunt. Who?
A familiar scent. Come. I will await you at the usual grounds.
Bau apa aku? Kamu jangan mengendus-ngendus ya.
If the boss of Wolvendom has vouched for you, I guess I should apologize for doubting you just now.
Nah, it's okay, Loen. It's needed. Yeah, it's always pays to remain vigilant.
Sure was. Fortunately, my experience in Nodcry didn't go to waste. Turns out the wild hunt all feel the same when you stab them. They didn't stand a chance.
Ya, mereka cuman damage bunch buat kita.
Something seems wrong with that old wolf, though. Go on, you should check on him.
Kamu gak ikut? Bukannya harus ngirim surat ya tadi? Kata orang-orang ada di sekitar situ ada chest. Di mana coba? Nggak bisa. Nggak bisa. Katanya di sekitar situ ada chest, tapi nggak tahu di mana. Itu chestnya tulisannya ada koin yang bisa ditukarkan ke Alice gitu katanya. Tapi entahlah. Kalau nggak keambil juga nggak apa-apa deh. Padahal aku masih 40 kayaknya levelnya guys, makanya gampang mati. 48 ternyata. Belum ada kesempatan untuk building dia. It's okay. Di mana ya chestnya? Kirain di sana tadi. Oh, nggak bisa. Soalnya katanya kalau nggak bisa, kalau nggak ambil saat di domain ini, saat kita stay di sini, bakalan hilang, nggak bisa ambil lagi.